Hi guys, hope you're all well. Today is the start of our division lesson and we are going to be learning how to make equal groups. That's our learning for today. All right, so just like always, you can choose to use different things in your house to help you solve the problems. I once again have pasta shells to help me today. They're not cooked, as you can see. And let's get on with our learning. Okay. Now, do you like my picture? There are 12 children. Okay. These 12 children want to dance in groups of 4. How many groups are there? So I've got my 12 children here and I need to put them in groups of 4. That means not 4 groups, but in one group I need 4 children. So I'm going to pretend that this pasta shell are my 12 children. So let me just count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, so these are my 12 children. I'm going to put them, let me use this side of my paper, put them here. I need to arrange my 12 children in groups of 4. That means in one group there are 4 children. So as 1, 2, 3, 4, that's one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, that's another group. And 1, 2, 3, 4 is another group. Oh, how many groups do you see? Exactly, 1, 2, 3. So I have 3 groups, and in each group I have 4 children. So these are my 4. 4 here, 4 here, 4 here. So how many groups did I need to make? How many groups are there? 3. Fantastic. So here you would say your answer is 3. Now, if you didn't have pasta at home, you could draw them. What you could do is you could pretend that the stick people are so you could draw the sticks. You can go 1, 2, 3, 4. You cross out 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you go 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. And then another group. Oh, there's one group. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, there's one more there. There we go. Okay, so there we go. Fantastic. So now again, the 12 children now, the same 12 children that we had here, okay, they now want to dance in groups of 3. So now I've got my 12 children here again, the same 12 children. It was 4 before, and now they want to dance in groups of 3. That means I need 3 children in one group. 3 children in one group. So not 4 children anymore. So I need 3. 1, 2, 3. These 3 dance in one group. 2, 3. Oh, these 3 dance in another group. I'm not done yet. I need to make another group of 3. I still have some left over. Oh, look. And 1, 2, 3, another group of 3. So how many groups of 3s now do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have 4 groups of 3. So the answer here is there are 4 groups now. Okay, and in each group, 1, 3, 4. Ooh, I have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. All right, so you can see it's a bit like sharing, isn't it? Where you take the children, you go, okay, I'm going to put 3 here, 3 here, 3 here. So it's a bit like sharing. So that's what we're doing today. Now, let's continue with our learning. I hope you can see the questions. It's a bit blurry. 12 children are dancing in groups of 2. 12 children are dancing in groups of 2. How many groups are there? So, I've got my 12 children. They've started here for us in our groups of 2, see 2, 2, and they've represented the 2 children with 2 counters. Just like how I did it with pasta shells, we here have 2 counters. So there's 2, 2. So I'm going to draw another group of 2 children, another group of 2, another group of 2, another group of 2. Oh, but have a look over here. It's also going back. Instead of making 1 jump back, I'm making 2 jumps back. So this 2 here are the 2 children that I'm taking away each time. See? making jumps back. So same thing here. I have 2, 2, 2, 2. Now, how many groups do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 groups. That's right. So how many groups are there? There are 6 groups. Now here it says, use drawings to show the groups and write down a division number sentence. A division. Oh, division? What does division mean? Division means divide. That means to share things equally. And this is an addition symbol. This is for subtraction. Multiplication looks like this, which is what we've been learning. And when you're doing division, it's a line in the middle, a dot above and a dot below. That's what division looks like. So this is a symbol we are learning today. I'll show you one more time. If you're sharing, dividing, you put a line in the middle, a dot above it and a dot below. So that is what we're learning today. Okay, so I have 12 children. I have 2 children in one group. So I have 12 children, 2 children in one group. And altogether I have 6 groups. So 12 divided by 2 is the same as 6. So here, if you look down here, they've done one for us. You see you've got the division sign here. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. 12 divided by 2 children in groups of 2. You get 6 groups. 12 children divided into groups of 2, you get 6 groups. This is what the 6 means. So this one here, the 6 means 6 groups. Okay? If you are confused, you can always pause the video and start again. Let's go to the next question. Ooh, now we have 12 children are dancing in groups of 6. So that means I need 6 people in one group. Before, it was groups of 2. See, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Now I need 6 in a group. How many groups are there? That's the question. How many groups are there? So let me see if I can use my counters to help me. So I need 6 in a group. So I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's one group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's another group. How many groups do you see now? Exactly 2 groups. So I'm going to then make the same number of jumps. That's my first jump because I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's my second jump. It's 2 giant jumps. 2 giant jumps, which means I have 2 groups. So 12 divided by 6 groups, 6 in a group, sorry, gives me 2 groups. 12 divided by 6 gives me 2 groups of children. All right, it may be a bit confusing at first, but as we continue with our learning, we will understand it a lot better. So just bear with, okay? Let's do one more question. Oh, it says, look at these division facts. So let's start with the first one. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Why does 12 stay the same? 12 divided by 3 is 4. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 12 divided by 6 is 2. Let's see. Why does 12 stay the same? Why does 12 stay the same? Oh, that's because we have 12 each time. So 12 is the largest number. It's the biggest number. It stays the same. What does that sign mean? You can remember, we just learned this. What does this sign mean? I'll make it bigger for you. What does that mean? Exactly, to divide. That means to share. To share it into equal, well done, equal groups. There we go. Okay? What do other numbers represent? So here, you've got 12 divided into groups of 4. It will give you 3 groups. Can you see? 12 divided into groups of 3 will give you 4 groups. See? Groups of 3. It gives you 3 in a group. Then it gives you 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. 12 divided into groups of 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, gives you 6 groups. and that's what it means. So this will be a good way to practice your understanding of dividing and sharing. And if you are confused, remember, you can always use Pastor Shells to help you. Okay, guys? So I'm going to ask you to pause the video, go through the questions again, and go through the questions again, and then I would like you to try the questions on Google Docs. Okay, guys? I'll see you all soon. Take care. Bye-bye.